you're doing well, and today I am talking about what sound design can do for your video. And if you stick to the end, I have a little something special for you. If you're new to this channel and want to see more tips and tricks, then I suggest you hit that subscribe button down below and click the little bell next to it so you don't miss anything. Okay, and my camera's almost dead. Nice. Sound design. It involves creating auditory elements using audio production techniques. It is incorporated into almost every aspect of the production world, filmmaking, TV, video games, you name it. I've used sound design in almost every single one of the cinematic films that I've made in the past. Now, whenever I first started making cinematic films, I didn't even really touch sound design because I was too afraid. I wasn't ready for it yet. You know, I didn't really do any research. I haven't really looked into it at all. Now, in today's world, it is used in almost every single cinematic professional film that is out there because you can't really make it clean and make it professional looking, yes, that's right, I said looking, without sound design because it just adds that extra professionality that you need. Now, someone who does a great job of this, he's been on this platform for a long time and he uses sound effects and sound design to the maximum capability that he's able to, and that is Sam Colder. He is one of my favorite YouTubers because the way he flies drones and the way he incorporates sound design is just so amazing and unbelievable.
Definitely one of the scariest moments in my entire life.
Now you see, I used to not even think sound design was a priority. Back when I first started, I was like, you know, who cares? I can just add the music and I can just add some of the clips that I use in camera. No, that was the wrong way to do it. I'm so glad that I actually got out of that rut, that I fell in love with the non-sponsor of this video, Epidemic Sound. I've been using Epidemic Sound as my sound effects and my music library for the longest time. I haven't even really needed to make my own sound effects because they have so many great choices. Now, again, this is not sponsored, so don't take this as an endorsement. I'm not getting paid by them. I would love to be getting paid by them, but I'm sure to you that I do not have enough subscribers. So with that being said, this is a subscriber call out. Subscribe to my channel. Sound design is, well, it was taken for granted. Back in the day, films didn't even have sound. And if you look at it, you probably wouldn't want to watch it for very long because no sound in movies, it gets pretty boring really quickly. Now, my favorite part of sound design is that it adds the extra depth that you need in your film. It can make your film go from boring, flat, just no life to an amazing cinematic production. And it's also scientifically proven that it's 50% of the viewer's experience. So if you have good sound design, then more than likely your viewer is gonna at least like half of it. Now, before my camera dies, this is what stock footage sounds like with sound design and without sound design. Now, adding sound effects into your videos can improve them drastically. Even adding an ambient soundtrack in the back of your videos can just draw the viewer in closer. Now, with all that being said, I wish you guys the best on your creative and filmmaking journey. That is all that I have for you today. And remember to always be creative and to never stay satisfied. On that note, I will catch you guys on the flip.